With the introduction of crypto in the market, its use cases continue to develop over time. For instance, DeFi and NFTs are among the most impressive applications present to date. However, they have been discussed, so it is time to switch our focus to metaverses. Metaverses showed spectacular growth in the last 2 years. Most of the metaverses are worth billions of dollars at the moment. This documentation takes complete responsibility for metaverses, which is a cohesive use because of the present and future inspiration. Let us look at how crypto is changing the narrative of the metaverse exponentially. Time to begin. Metaverse, an introduction. It is important to understand the metaverse before jumping into its workability and future prospects. If the internet is two-dimensional with text and images on a flat screen, the metaverse can be explained as a 3D world. The third dimension would be the sensory touch. It is a fictional universe with 3D virtual environments accessed through conventional computing. The virtual and augmented reality headsets allow the users to go to a Selena Gomez concert while being in their comfort zones. The internet fanatics can be a part of the digital universe and log out of it when they need a little reality check. A dream come true, don't you agree? You can state the metaverse as the combination of multiple elements of technology. The metaverse without the introduction of crypto was a dead end with limitations and restrictions. However, with cryptocurrency as the metaverse pillar, the possibilities have enhanced multifold. Metaverse and cryptocurrency. Metaverse has displayed remarkable growth with the cryptocurrency in the frame. The metaverse fanatics couldn't be more grateful as crypto has offered speed, transparency, and security, which is hard to access in real-world transactions with fiat money. As mentioned above, staying indoors to buy land and attend a concert wouldn't be easy if crypto wasn't in the picture. Cryptocurrency has ensured that the transactions go as seamless and instantaneous as they never were without a decentralized transaction system. For this hybrid world as a metaverse, crypto has become the perfect medium to accelerate the process exponentially. Crypto has offered metaverse with lightning speed to process an enormous number of transactions in a second. With the quick transfer of value and permanent proof of ownership in the metaverse, crypto has filled the gap in scalability competently. Similarly, one doesn't have to worry about transaction security in the metaverse. It means that with every transaction you make in the metaverse, the funds will be protected and encrypted based on highly workable cryptography technology. In short, crypto presents a potential alternative in a world where ownership is more decentralized. Isn't that a win-win? Metaverse and its future prospects. The crypto metaverse might still be at the early stages of development, but there's much to offer. The experts foresee great potential in the metaverse for the future, as they act as a social and investment opportunity for business tycoons. The crypto metaverse doesn't fall behind in offering games something to look forward to. Essentially, they can play, invest, interact, and earn differently. A metaverse is not only augmented and virtual reality or some cartoon characters, it could be an online engagement with Zoom. Or you can comment on a favorite creator or their social post. Anything that offers you an online presence and identity in the digital world is metaverse, and crypto makes the whole process unique and distinctive. Eventually, you can buy and sell virtual goods from different universes and games through interoperable marketplaces. The virtual plot of land can be bought and sold, which means the future is bright for crypto holders in the metaverse. The potential of metaverse games to interpolate and interact with each other drives the global economy to new levels. With the addictive playability of video games, immersive environments of VR, and value propositions of crypto, the metaverse is the future, and no one can deny this fact. In 2021, the global metaverse market cap is expected to reach new levels. The metaverse market size would be $872.35 billion in about 7 years. The revenue growth between 2021 and 2028 would be boosted with crypto metaverse. Resultantly, the crypto metaverse is the future, even when its early development might sound a little risky at the moment. Following are some famous metaverse offering a digital world for the internet fanatics. Decentraland, Mana. Sandbox, Sand. Starlink, Star-L. Star Atlas, Atlas. Network, Network. Concluding thoughts. No one can predict the future for the Metaverse and what it would look like in the future. However, the importance of cryptocurrencies will continue to grow, and Metaverse will be part of the exposure. The development of technologies is being monitored carefully. With Facebook becoming a part of the Metaverse, the blockchain and cryptocurrency will play a great role in shaping the future of Metaverse.